SESMI's Smart Manufacturing Innovation Platform, or SMIP for short, is our demonstration of these ideas and specifications and standards that we want to see driven across the industry. It's by no means the only implementation. In fact, we're drawing from software vendors who share this vision and are contributing their technology to this exploration. We think it's important for us not just to participate in spec writing or participate in standards bodies, although those things are important. It's also important to actually explore the ideas, actually demonstrate that they work in the real world, and as its name suggests, use that as a platform off which we can innovate. If we can say to innovative developers that the problem of connecting to data, the problem of organizing the data, the problem of building an API to get access to that data, all of that's taken care of for you. You just focus on the new analytic or the new visualization or the new AI interaction with a process, then we think we can really accelerate innovation in this industry. If the problem is not how do I get access to energy data, but how do I optimize this process to make better use of the energy that I'm using, then we're really moving forward. And if the problem is everything else, then we're going to continue to move at the pace that we have been for the past couple decades. So the SMIP, the Smart Manufacturing Innovation Platform, is just that. It is SESMI's demonstrator. It's our example of how these things work. And it's our invitation to our members to try pivoting from here, to try changing the focus away from just wiring data up and to actually creating information value out of that data. And we want to see these ideas driven across the software vendor ecosystem and even across the hardware vendor ecosystem so that as an industry, we're all moving forward together.